Hi, I am Aman Bachawat from Jain Soap and Jain Lifecare Private Limited. We are approximately a 52-year-old brand and we manufacture for more than 600 plus brand. We work across pharmaceutical, nutraceutical and cosmetic categories. The development. The one thing which I love is R&D, the development of the product, the new thing which we do for the brands, that excites me the most. There are multiple things which are the best part. One is it is one of the fastest growing industry. It's little bit of a glamour industry. Whenever a friend or someone is using a product and you just say, you can boast that ये brand का तो मैं ही बना रहा हूँ. So that's a thing I love. Being selfish on this, but yeah. Meeting more and more brands. This year CMPL we have prepared a bit. So every year we don't prepare that much, but this year we have prepared a bit. So as you can just see, we have prepared 51 new formulations. So we have done 51 NPDs, which is a new product which we have developed for the first time, and few of them are first time in India, and few of them are done by some brands, but we have taken the inspiration, and we have created 10 different textures. So nowadays it is all about texture. So actives सबके पास है, common actives है, but what different do you do? So we did 10 new textures from a foamy cream to PDRN cleanser. We have many different products. So I would love you if you want to see the product. It's difficult for me to tell one, but we have made multiples. So for a exhibition like this, generally the conversions are very low. But for CMPL specifically, if I say, the conversions are way more than any other. We do any other expo. We do multiple expos, be it outside India, be it in India, be it in Ahmedabad. But the conversion ratio, which we track individually every year, how much brands which we have converted from a new brand, and also from existing brand, how many new products which we have developed. So if you see the ROI wise, or if you see the new brand conversion, if I get 10 inquiries, out of 10, 2 to 3 clients are converted, which is a very good number. So this is a good thing about CMPL, which I love the most. Growth partner.